Have you ever wondered how a missile is manufactured? Here is an illustration of a missile manufacturing facility. Let me provide a step-by-step explanation of the process as well. Engineers create designs using CAD software, testing aerodynamics, propulsion, and payload capabilities. Prototypes are produced for initial testing. High-strength materials like titanium, aluminum, and composites are selected. Materials are cut and shaped for specific components. Robotic arms and skilled technicians assemble the missile components in clean rooms. The propulsion system, warhead, if applicable, and guidance systems are integrated. Rigorous testing, including wind tunnel and electronic system checks, ensures functionality and safety. Live tests in controlled environments are conducted to verify performance. Inspectors meticulously examine missiles, emphasizing their role in national security. Missiles' precision and technological prowess are demonstrated in a live launch. The missile is coated with protective and stealth finishes. Final assembly includes attachment of fins and other aerodynamic features.